Well, hello. These are Molly and Easy Rizzle's little babies. Oh, we got some tiny ones in here. Oh, the red one's pretty tiny. Look at this little one with the green one, the little one with the yellow one. And I'm talking about just the ribbon colors that are currently on them. Now we are going to change, but we got a lot of girls in this litter, so we are showing an orange male and a yellow male. These two over here are the boys, and then these are the girls. Yep, all girls. So, let's get this black ribbon changed. And the black ribbon, this little girl, is Madison. So black for Madison. And then red is Martini, and every single one of them is just that wavy to curly, shaggy coat. Of course, all these are your non-shedding, hypoallergenic as well, and that is verified through DNA testing of the parent dogs. Little red ribbon here. So they're all dark golden red too. That sort of like a rusty color. Some people call it brown. In the golden doodle world, we call it red because there are red golden doodles and there are that chocolate brown color. So if you were, so the chocolate brown would be more like the color of a chocolate lab. So then you get to these, they're actually calling them red because it's more like that rusty colored red. Yeah, which I could see in pictures why you would think it was brown. But these will be like the dark red, like Easy Rizzo. So, and again, going back to your hypoallergenic non-shedding, that's DNA testing proven there. So what you do is you just make sure that all your parent dogs are carrying the FF, the furnishings genes, for the, and that's similar, well, it is what the poodles all carry too. And not all, but all of them should carry, but some people have mixed in different bloodlines in their poodles, and you can't always count on that they're going to be an FF anymore because they've got something else behind them. And that's usually for downsizing that I've seen that added, but not here. Not here. We just breed with English Golden Retrievers and Poodles and their ancestors, because some of my dogs are going on 5th and 6th generations here that have all been born here. So that gives you, 4 or 5 generations of DNA testing and OFA testing. All these great testing aspects. So that's kind of what helps with multi-gens when you're buying them from me, because they're all from my lines and they're all proven healthy. Been breeding for 18 years. Only had one issue of something that was, could have been genetic, I guess, and or just a fluke, but it actually needed a surgery to fix, which we took care of and paid for. And that was actually on a, don't even want to tell you whose dog it was out of all odds. It's somebody very famous. And I don't want to use his name without his permission. But that was, gosh, I can't say, 6 to 8 years ago, and puppy's still perfectly fine today. Okay. So, boys, orange McCoy, yellow McRuff. Ooh, and McRuff looks slightly darker, but smaller than McCoy. And then all the girls are kind of, you know, piling up over here. This big purple one's Marcy, and she's got some white on her chest there. Marcy's got a lot of white on her chest and a little dot on her head. Solid boy. Solid boys. The boys are both solid, no markings. Red ribbon, Martina. She's a solid one, and she's a little tiny one. And then pink, Minnie. She has white on her toes. Pretty much all her toes have tips of white, little white on her chest, little white dot on her head. Okay, then this big black one. And we're talking about the ribbon color. Here at the black has a little white right there. That's it. And that's on the black ribbon girl. Madison. And then this little tiny green ribbon girl is Meg. Look at this. She just, how big she is. Like, how big? You know, like, she's cute. She's got a little white right there. You can, hard to see. Oh, get your head up, girl. Little white on her chest there. Little white heart on her head. Some little white toes in the back. Cute, cute, cute. Oh, okay. Tiny ones. Okay. Well, that's our sneak peek here at 4 days old. Already had to change their ribbons because they're starting to outgrow the ones that were put on day 1. There's our little cuties.